I can't wait to do Jalabhishek at every Shivalingam today.
The main Shiva Lingam has gone silent. It won't let any water stay. It dries up instantly.
That's not normal. Om Hrim Batukaya Nama.
Rishikesh during Shravan. I knew you'd call me here.
Mahadev's Shivalingam is silent. It won't accept water.
Then let's find out why, together. This lingam was once worshipped by Rishi Bharadwaj, but someone stopped the tradition. Something got lost.
Long ago, a special mantra was chanted here every Shravan, but people forgot it. Now the lingam sleeps, waiting.
What was the mantra?
Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, chanted with heart, not speed.
Om Namah Shivaya.
When one child remembers with love what others forget, even the quietest stone will speak. This is Shravan, the month when I listen most.
This is Mahadev's blessing, but who reminded him?
Just a friend with love and a little mantra.
Even sacred things grow quiet when we forget their meaning. But with love, patience, and a little Shravan sadhana, even Mahadev smiles.